Hello guys, we are group 6 and also we're here to explain about to discuss about operation management. So here, this is our team. Meet our team. So our leader, Breggs Gonzales. We also have here Jame Aldepulla, Jeorgecel Biando, and Maryce Busarang, Khristly May Jarina, Derek Allen Lobitana, that's me, Mervin Payot, and also lastly Karl Francis. So yeah, you will be meeting them one by one, and I'm actually the first that will be discussing. So okay, I'm here to discuss about operation management. So our goal here is to know about the definition and significance of operational management, and also objectives of the report, importance of operation management in both manufacturing services and sectors. So what comes in your mind if it's about operation management? So as we hear, I explain, is the business discipline focused on overseeing and controlling the production of goods and services. It ensures companies efficiently use resources to meet customer demands. In simpler terms, it's about getting the right things made the right time at the right cost and with the right quality. So here, it's actually explained a lot in this, but from what I understand, or I'm gonna summarize it, is if you manage some on operation, you must know your strength and weaknesses so that you can improve and also adapt, so that we can create more efficient and also better quality, as explained here. So next one. So as we all know that we are going to know the significance of operation management. So one of those is profitability. So of course we need to make a profit so that our management also functions. So also to improve our management, yes, we need to read customer satisfaction, so that we will learn about our weaknesses and also strength that can help us lead to a success. So competitive advantage is also one of this. So as you all know that in marketing, innovation, also I'm gonna relate this in an innovation, since everything innovation is the key to success. Because as you can see, there are different possibilities in life. You will never know that it will be a hit on the market or any operation. So yeah, innovation is widely significant in operation management. So also that improve decision making. So actually all of this relates in operation management, because in your operation, as I mentioned once again, you will find the weakness and strengths, and that can help you to adapt in different environment. So yeah, you need to research to improve your decision makings. So from my my summary is the essence of operation management is the backbone of any successful business. It ensures the smooth flow of goods and services, keep costs under control, and paves the way for growth and innovation. So that's how significant operation management is. So as you can see, there's also part of the objectives of the report. So of course, report is really important also. So it actually also relate on the first slide that for the innovation, of course you have to write the report so that you will know once again the weaknesses and strength regarding for the operation. So the part of this objectives of the report is to identify and assess current of the company operation. So yes, you need to report that so that you will know if, how can I say this in English? Sabihin natin sa Bisaya is makaginansya or profitable. So and next one is to recommend improvement to efficiency effectiveness. So dito, it actually relates on this first slide once again. So you have to keep, so that is how important objective reporting is so to develop a plan implements these improvements to track the progress of these improvements. So it still relates in the first slide. You need to know the weaknesses or any flaws on the operations so that you can manage it efficiently and also can make good products. So, and also importance of operation management in both manufacturing and service sectors. So one of those is overview and manufacturing operation management, role of operation management in service industries, comparative analysis of operation of challenges, impact on business performance, and competitive advantage. So as in all this slide is actually related. It's quite redundant, but it's actually telling us about what are the best operation that you need to manage so that you can do it more efficiently and less flawless, and also you can create product with a better good.
So part sa learning objectives sa operations management is the core concept and essentials of operations management. So natin 5 key concepts sa operations management, which are process design, capacity planning, inventory management, supply chain management, and quality control. First is the process design. Process design refers to how you define the steps to create a product or service. It involves analyzing what needs to be done, in what order, and by whom. An efficient process design minimizes waste and keeps things flowing smoothly. So, ang main purpose niya is to define the most efficient way to create a product or service. So, why is it important? It's important because well-designed processes are the foundation of efficient operations. Ang goal sa niya is mainly to minimize waste like materials, time, and effort. Next goal is streamline workflow for smooth production. Next is ensure clear and consistent task execution. And last goal is to improve overall process efficiency. Next is capacity planning. Capacity planning involves ensuring your business has the resources, like the facilities, equipment, and labor, to meet production demands. The goal is to avoid bottlenecks or para ma-avoid ang traffic at butang traffic and ensure smooth operations. Ang purpose niya is to determine how much work your operation can handle within specific time frame. And why is it important? It's important because matching your capacity to customer demands is crucial for smooth operation and customer satisfaction. Main goals are match production capacity to customer demand. Next is avoid backlogs and stackouts. Next goal is to optimize resources utilization. And last is ensure on-time delivery and customer satisfaction. Third guy, inventory management. Inventory management involves techniques for ordering, storing, and controlling stock levels. Ang purpose niya is to maintain the right level of stock to meet demand without unnecessary costs. Ang importante niya siya kay striking a balance between having enough stocks to meet the demand and avoiding excessive inventory holding costs is critical. So, ang goal niya is to minimize stackouts and lost sales. Next is to reduce storage cost and waste from spoilage. Next is improve cash flow by optimizing capital tied up in inventory. And last is to ensure efficient use of warehouse space. Ang ikaapat nga key concept is Supply chain management. Supply chain management involves managing the entire flow of goods and services from raw materials to the end customer. It includes coordinating with suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers to ensure timely delivery and minimize disruptions. Ang main purpose is to oversee the entire flow of goods and services from raw materials to the end of customer. So why is it important? It's important because smooth running supply chain is essential for getting products or materials where they need to be on time and within the budget. Goals are to establish strong relationships with suppliers, to optimize transportation and logistics for timely delivery, and to increase responsiveness to changing customer demands. Ang last nga key concept is ang quality control. Quality control ensures your products or services meet customer expectation and industry standards. It involves inspecting and testing products at different stages of production, identifying and correcting defects, and implementing processes to prevent future issues. Main purpose niya is to guarantee products or services meet established quality standards. Also, important is siya kay ensuring quality products or services is essential for customer satisfaction, brand reputation, and avoiding costly reworks. Lastly, ang goal niya is mainly to reduce errors and defects, to improve customer satisfaction, to minimize waste and rework costs, and lastly, to prevent product recalls and safety hazards.
Managing customer service and product quality. Managing customer service and product quality requires a comprehensive approach that involves various aspects of the business. So, in other words, or in simple words, it means that making sure that your customer is happy with what they buy from you, and you show that how reliable your product is. So next is strategies for effective customer service management. There are two strategies. The first one is customer relationship management, and the second one is feedback mechanism and continuous improvement. So for customer relationship management, it refers to the practices, strategies, and technologies that businesses use to manage and analyze interactions with current potential customer. Customer relationship management, in other words, is that you are good at remembering your customers' needs, preferences, and you are interacting with them to know their information and what they need or what they buy, what they usually buy, and to expand your relationship with them. So as for the feedback mechanisms and continuous improvement, quality management, so business can learn about areas for development and consumer satisfaction by implementing feedback systems, including surveys, reviews, and direct communication channels. So feedback systems, an example is you are creating you are having a online business, and you want to know your customers feedbacks and comments. So you are creating a online surveys and online feedback form, so that you will have to know what they are thinking about your product. And as for continuous improvement, and make sure that suggestions are taken into consideration as soon as possible. So in this time, after you receive your feedback, and you already know what is there to improve and what is there to change, enable to increase your customer satisfaction and product quality. And as for quality management approaches, there are three approaches. The first one is total quality management. The second one is Six Sigma, and the last one is case studies on successful customer service and quality management. So for total quality management, it is a comprehensive approach to improving quality throughout all aspects of an organization. So in simple words, um, you have to make sure that your product is good as it can possibly be, and it's about making sure everyone in your company is focused on delivering the best possible products or services into your customers all the time. And it also means that you are paying attention to your customers, and you keep tracking to their preferences and needs. So the next one is Six Sigma. It is a data-driven process improvement methodology that seeks to lower product and service variation and failures. So Six Sigma is that you are keep tracking on your business on where they went wrong or what's wrong with your business. And for example is your product, you are receiving complaints about your product, and you are tracking on how many customers returned your product and how many product that you are giving that are defectives. So you are keep tracking and take measures. As for case studies on successful customer service and quality management, it is comprehensive examinations of actual instances where business have successfully managed both customer service and quality management to produce remarkable outcomes. And these case studies explore the tactics, procedures, and method to guarantee high levels of client pressure while maintaining strict quality standard. And so, case studies on successful customer service, it's like you are imagining things that what will be going to happen and what will be the outcome about your businesses or about your product. And this method is very useful to determine on how your customers will trust or rely on your product.
Next, we'll discuss the principles, techniques, and real world examples that illustrate the importance of effective work process design. Principles of effective work process design. First, we have task analysis and workload assessment. Task analysis involves breaking down a process or project into smaller, manageable tasks. It helps in understanding the sequence of activities required to complete a task or achieve a goal. By dissecting the process, you can identify the specific actions, resources, and dependencies involved at each step. Once tasks are identified, workload assessment involves analyzing the volume and complexity of work associated with each task. It helps in distributing tasks effectively among team members, ensuring that no individual is overburdened while others are underutilized. Workload assessment also aids in resource allocation and scheduling, enabling better time management and coordination. Second is efficiency and flow optimization. Efficiency in work processes refers to accomplishing tasks with minimal waste of time, resources, or effort. It involves streamlining processes to eliminate unnecessary steps, reduce redundancies, and optimize resource utilization. Improving efficiency results in higher productivity, faster delivery times, and cost savings. Flow optimization focuses on the smooth and uninterrupted movement of work through a process. It aims to eliminate bottlenecks, delays, and interruptions that can hinder progress and lead to inefficiencies. By optimizing flow, you can ensure that the work moves seamlessly from one stage to the next, maintaining momentum and reducing lead times. Techniques such as value stream mapping and process redesign are often used to identify and address areas where flow can be improved. Next is techniques for enhancing productivity. First is lean management. Lean management is a systematic approach to identifying and eliminating waste within processes while maximizing value for customers. The core principles of lean management include identifying value, mapping value stream, creating flow, pulling from customer demand, and striving for perfection. Next is business process reengineering or BPR. This involves a radical redesign of core business processes that achieve dramatic improvements in performance, such as cost, quality, speed, and service. The key principles of BPR include process focus, radical redesign, cross functional teams, use of technology, and focus on customer needs. And lastly, for my part, we have examples of optimized work processes in different industries. We have manufacturing industry and healthcare sector. In manufacturing, optimized processes lead to increased efficiency in production lines, reduced downtime, and improved product quality. And in healthcare, optimized processes streamline patient care, reduce waiting times, and enhance overall service quality. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Derek. My report is all about future trends and challenges in operations management. Future trends and challenges in operations management encompass various areas, including the impact of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the rise of automation and robotics, sustainability and green operations, and globalization. First, let's talk about impact of artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and machine learning are revolutionizing operations management by enabling predictive analytics, optimization, and automation of processes. They can enhance decision making, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. However, organizations must address challenges such as data privacy, algorithm bias, and workforce reskilling to fully leverage these technologies. Examples such as customer service. Chatbots powered by AI handle customer inquiries, reducing the need for human intervention. Healthcare. Machine learning algorithms analyze medical data to diagnose diseases and recommend treatments, improving accuracy and efficiency. Finance. AI algorithms detect fraudulent activities in real time, enhancing security and preventing financial losses. Second, the rise of automation and robotics. Automation and robotics are transforming traditional manufacturing and service operations. They increase productivity, accuracy, and speed while reducing labor costs. However, they also raise concerns about job displacement and the need for retraining workers for new roles in a more automated workforce. Examples such as manufacturing. Automated assembly lines in car factories increase production speed and precision while reducing labor costs. Warehousing. Robots navigate warehouses to pick and pack items, optimizing inventory management and order fulfillment processes. Agricultural robotics assist in planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops, boosting efficiency and yield. Third is sustainability and green operations. With growing environmental concerns, sustainability and green operations are becoming paramount. Organizations are adopting eco-friendly practices, reducing waste, and optimizing energy consumption to minimize their environmental footprint. Sustainable operations not only benefit the planet but also enhance brand reputation and attract environmentally conscious consumers. Examples such as renewable energy. Companies invest in solar panels and wind turbines to generate clean energy, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Waste management. Business implement recycling programs and waste reduction, strategies to minimize environmental impact and promote circular economy principles. Transportation. Electric vehicles and hybrid fleets reduce carbon emissions and contribute to cleaner air in urban areas, addressing climate change concerns. Last but not the least is globalization and its effects. Globalization continues to reshape operations management by increasing market competition, expanding supply chains, and facilitating cross-border trade. While globalization offers opportunities for cost reduction and market expansion, it also presents challenges such as geopolitical risk and supply chain disruptions, regulatory complexities. Organizations must adapt their operation strategies to navigate the complexities of globalized company. Examples such as outsourcing. Companies offshore manufacturing and back office operations to countries with lower labor costs, increasing efficiency, potentially leading to job losses in home countries. Cultural exchange. Globalization fosters cultural exchange through the spread of media, entertainment, and international travel, promoting diversity and understanding. Supply chain complexity. Businesses face challenges managing complex global supply chains, including geopolitical risk, trade regulations, and logistical issues, requiring strategic planning and risk mitigation measures. In conclusion, addressing these trends and challenges requires a proactive approach, strategic planning, and continuous innovation in operations management practices. Organizations embrace emerging technologies, prioritize sustainability, and adapt to the demands of globalization, are better positioned to thrive in dynamic businesses landscape of the future.
Hello everyone, I am Khristly May, Jarina, and today I'm going to be sharing some case study into how operations management strategies have been applied in various sectors, specifically in automotive industry, healthcare, and e-commerce. Let's begin with the first case study. Operations management in automotive industry, streamlining production at Tesla. Tesla, the pioneering electric vehicle manufacturer, exemplifies innovative operations management in the automotive industry. By vertically integrating its supply chain and leveraging advanced technology, Tesla has revolutionized automotive production. Its key features include vertical integration. In vertical integration, Tesla manufactures crucial components such as batteries and electric motors in-house, reducing dependency on the external suppliers. The next one is advanced robotics. Tesla utilizes robotics extensively in its advanced lines for precise and efficient manufacturing, reducing labor costs and improving productivity. The last one is its sustainable practices. Tesla prioritizes sustainability by using renewable energy sources in its factories and implementing eco-friendly production processes. And now let us proceed to the next case study. Operations management in healthcare. Improving patient services at the Philippine General Hospital. Philippine General Hospital is the largest government-owned tertiary hospital in the Philippines, serving as a referral center for the complex medical cases. With a higher patient volume and limited resources, PGH faces challenges in delivering timely and quality healthcare services to its diverse patient population. PGH was facing significant challenges in managing patient flow efficiently, resulting in long wait times, overcrowded facilities, and delays in treatment. Additionally, manual record-keeping system led to errors in the patient data management and hindered timely access to the medical records. To address these challenges, PGH implemented several operations management initiatives aimed at improving patient services and optimizing operational efficiency. The first one is streamlined patient flow. PGH redesigned its patient flow processes, including appointment scheduling, registration, and triage to minimize the wait times and optimize its resource utilization. This involves digital queuing systems and workflow automation tools to facilitate smoother and patient journey through the hospital. The next one is electronic health records. PGH transitioned from paper-based record keeping to electronic health record systems, enabling seamless access to patient information across departments and reducing errors associated with the manual data entry. The next one is the capacity planning and resource allocation. PGH conducted capacity planning exercises to optimize the allocation of hospital resources, including beds, medical equipment, and staffing, based on the patient demands, forecasts, and service requirements. This proactive approach helped PGH better manage patient volumes and minimizes the bottlenecks in the service delivery. The last one is quality improvement initiatives. PGH implemented quality improvement focused on enhancing clinical outcomes, patient safety, and satisfaction. This involves implementing evidence-based clinical protocols, conducting regular performance assessments, and soliciting feedback from the patients to identify the areas for improvement. By the outcome of this, PGH was able to achieve a reduced wait times, enhance efficiency, and improve patient outcomes. Through the streamlining patient flow processes, it improved the resource allocation, resulted in the reduced wait times for the patients. It enhanced efficiency through the adoption of the electronic health records and workflow automation tools, improved operational efficiency, allowing healthcare providers to focus more on the time patient care and less on. Our last case study is operations management in e-commerce, fulfillment excellence at Amazon. Amazon is the global e-commerce giant, exemplifies best practices in operations management through online retail. Through its extensive fulfillment network, innovative technology, and customer-centric approach, Amazon has redefined an e-commerce operations. Its key features includes fulfillment centers. Amazon operates a vast network of fulfillment centers strategically located to enable fast and efficient order processing and shipping. The next one is robotics and automation. Amazon employs robotics and automation in its fulfillment centers and optimizes inventory management, order picking, and packing processes, enhancing its efficiency and accuracy. The next one is data-driven decision making. Amazon leverages big data and analytics to forecast demand, optimizes inventory levels, and personalize customer experiences, driving operational excellence. And the last one is the Prime membership. Amazon's Prime membership program incentivizes customers' loyalty and benefits such as free 2-day shipping and further enhancing its competitive advantage in the e-commerce market. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Breggs Gonzales, and today I will be presenting our comprehensive report on operations management. So, we will explore key concepts reflecting the crucial role of managing service and quality, as well as operations for enhanced productivity, and lastly, the future prospects. So, next. So, let us start by reviewing the core concepts we have covered. Operations management is fundamental to both manufacturing and service sectors. It encompasses several critical aspects such as process design, capacity planning, and also quality control. So, these elements are not just part of a checklist, but are crucial drivers of efficiency and customer satisfaction in any business. So, moving on to customer service and quality management. As we have discussed how our organizations utilize tools like customer relationship management or CRM systems and methodologies like the total quality management and also the Six Sigma. So these strategies are pivotal because they help bridge the gap between operational capabilities and customer expectations, which ensures that the product quality and service delivery are always top notch. So in terms of productivity, we highlighted how effective work process design can significantly enhance operational outcomes. Techniques such as lean management and business process reengineering not only streamline operations but also boost overall productivity. So these methods ensure that operations are not only efficient but are also adaptable to changes in the market demands or operational scopes. So next slide. So next is the reflection on interplay. So all in all, the synergy between operations management, service quality, and productivity, it creates a reinforcing cycle. So enhanced operations lead to better service delivery, which, when executed flawlessly, boosts customer satisfaction and also productivity. So this interplay is impactful for any organization aiming for long-term sustainability and competitiveness. So next is the future prospects. Looking ahead, the field of operations management is set to undergo significant transformations. So, advancements in AI and robotics are poised to revolutionize traditional processes. Moreover, the push towards sustainability and the complexities introduced by globalization will challenge today's managers to innovate continuously. So, operations managers will need to adapt quickly and effectively. So, this embracing new technologies and approaches for in order for them to stay ahead. So next slide. So for the final thoughts. So for me, I'd say that the world of operations management is dynamic and ever evolving. Why? Because it requires a constant drive for innovation, adaptability, and also a deep understanding of integrated systems. So as future operations managers or business leaders, we must stay informed and be adaptable because that is the key to navigating this challenging yet rewarding field. So that is all. Thank you, and if you might have any questions, just leave it down below.
Hello everyone, I'm Jeorgecel Biando, and I will be discussing to you the recommendation for implementing new operation strategies and continuous improvement in operation progress. So now that I've introduced myself, it's time for me to discuss the topic that was mentioned earlier. So first is the recommendations for implementing new operation strategies. For implementing new operation strategies, there's a lot that was recommended. But for us, this is the best recommendations that we got. So first is the clearly defined goals and objectives. So before implementing a new strategy, first we have to ensure our business goals and objectives are well defined. For example, like what problems are we trying to solve or what improvements are we aiming for. And we have to make sure to align the strategy with these goals to ensure its effectiveness. Second recommendation is the focus on customer value. These operation strategies is good to have since we always have to consider the impact on our customers since they will help us improve our efficiency, product quality, and even the delivery times. And now for the third recommendation, which is the involve key stakeholders, like get buy-in from all departments affected by the new strategy. This can ensure a smoother implementation and encourage everyone to work towards the same goals. And for the fourth recommendation is to communicate effectively. So we have to clearly communicate the new strategy to all employees by explaining the rationale behind it. It will impact their work and we can even provide training if necessary. And lastly, for the new operation strategies is to measure and analyze results. Always track the impact of new strategy and measure its success against our defined objectives. And be always prepared to adapt and refine strategy if needed. And that's the end for the new operation strategies. Now we're moving on to the continuous improvement in operation processes. Just like in the new operation strategies, we've prepared 5 recommendations too, and the first recommendation is to adopt a continuous improvement philosophy. So create a culture of continuous improvement where Employees are encouraged to identify and suggest ways to improve progresses. This can be achieved through methodologies like Kaizen or other word change for the better. Second recommendation is to identify and eliminate waste. Waste can come in many forms like unnecessary step in process, idle time, or rework. So we have to implement lean principles to identify and eliminate waste and streamlining our operations. And now for the third recommendation is to embrace data-driven decision making. Always utilize the data analytics to identify bottlenecks, area of efficiency, and opportunities for improvement. And have and track key performance indicators or KPI in short to measure the progress. And for the fourth recommendation is to invest in technology. We have to explore how technology can automate tasks, improve communication, and enhance data collection. And lastly, to empower employees. Give the employees their freedom to work and empower them to make suggestions for more improvement. Encourage them to open communication and celebrate successful progress improvements. And that's the end of my report. Thank you for listening.